Hi, welcome back to Burton's Academy. I'm glad to have you with me today. In this session, I will run through the bank account and how you can filter on the Reconcile screen. So starting on the dashboard screen, we'll click onto the business bank account and we'll go onto the Reconcile tab. And within here, Xero have created multiple ways to filter this information so you can easily find the particular transaction you're looking for rather than having to go through every single one scrolling down. This is really beneficial if you have quite a lot of transactions that you haven't yet reconciled and you're looking for a particular one. And again, this is really helpful if you have a customer who, for example, is saying, I have paid you, you just maybe haven't reconciled it on your accounts, and therefore it's showing as outstanding. So again, this is really helpful. You can then reconcile it, clear it down, and you then know who does or doesn't owe you some money. So we'll start with this filter button. So over here on your right, you can click filter. And you've got the option now to filter in the start or end date, and then you also have an amount range. So we'll just show the example with the filter for the start date. So we'll show everything from the 1st of March, and we'll go until the end of March and apply that. And then this just shows us the only transaction that we haven't reconciled within March is this particular one. And then if I actually want to say, okay, that's not the transaction I'm looking for, let's increase the search and we'll go up to the end of April. But this time I'm looking for anything up to maybe £16 and apply that one again. And there I can see quite a few transactions within my £16 range. So then we have the option to leave this filter on, and then we can search for any payee, amount, reference, description, check number, or analysis code. So what that means is if I know the particular value is maybe £15.50, I can type that in and it will bring up all my £15.50 items. Or for example, it's 7-Eleven that I'm looking for. I can then start typing in the 11, and then we can see that 7-Eleven comes up here. So we didn't have to put the 7 to begin with. It will look within the whole payee name. And then alternatively, if there is a description, so for example, one of these has the word fee in there. And again, I can then find them that way as well. And once you find the transaction you're looking for, all you need to do is check whether you have a bill that needs to be associated with it, or you are creating the transaction like we have before with this Ridgeway bank payment, and you just need to click OK. And there you have it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Please like and subscribe for more content. See you at the next one.